the light on tonight?
Why, Tom?
My room feels very dark tonight.
Your room is the same as every night.
I know, but it feels different. Are you scared of the dark? No, maybe a little. I like the dark. I can see the stars. I cannot see anything.
Tell me what you feel, Tom.
I hear small sounds in my room. What kind of sounds?
Little taps near the window.
Maybe a tiny monster.
Anna, please do not tease your brother.
Sorry, Tom. What if something is really there?
Your window is closed and safe.
But the sound is still there.
What is happening here tonight?
Tom feels scared of the dark.
That happens sometimes.
Dad, can you check my room?
Of course. Let us go together.
I want to come too.
Stay close to us.
I hear the sound again.
I hear it too.
It comes from the window.
Is something outside?
Let me take a look.
I am holding Mom's hand. Dad, please be careful.
It is only a small tree branch.
A tree branch?
Yes, the wind moves it.
The branch taps on the glass.
So it is not a monster. I feel better now.
Sometimes sounds feel scary in the dark.
Your brain tries to guess the danger.
My brain guessed a monster. Your brain is very funny. I am still a little nervous.
That is okay.
Let us fix the branch.
I will move it away from the window.
Thank you, Dad. The window is quiet now. The room feels calmer.
Do you want a small nightlight?
Yes, please.
Here is the little moonlight.
It looks like a tiny star. Now your room looks magical. I like it.
Are you ready for sleep now?
Almost.
What do you need? What do you need?
Can you stay for 1 minute?
Of course.
I feel safe with you. I feel safe with you.
You are safe, Tom.
Dark does not mean danger.
I think I understand now. And monsters do not tap on windows. Good point.
The wind and trees make many sounds.
Next time I will check first.
That is very brave.
Brave, Tom. Tom. Thank you for helping me.
We always help each other.
That is what families do.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, Tom. Sleep well, sweetheart.
Sweet dreams.
Hey, everyone watching. If you ever feel scared at night, tell your family. And maybe check the window first.
If you like our stories, please like and subscribe.
And tell us your bedtime story in the comments.